Hello and welcome. My name is Kamini. I'm your English teacher. Students, today we're going to do nouns. Now, nouns are very important in English grammar. Now, this is going to be for spoken as well as for English basics, intermediate, advanced courses. Now, I'm going to start with noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. That's a noun. Okay. Now, when it is specific name of a person, place, or thing, it becomes a proper noun. When it is non-specific name of a person, place, or thing, it becomes a common noun. So, primarily, nouns are name of a person, place, or thing. Now, there is an example which I have for you. Radha and Rakesh are friends. They are in the same school. They are excellent in science and literature. Now I'm going to name the nouns first and then we'll see which one is proper noun and which one is common noun. So Radha and Rakesh are friends. Now Radha is a name of a girl, Rakesh is a name of a boy. So it is specific, okay? It's specific name of a person. So they come in proper noun, okay? School is non-specific. We have not given the name of the school. So school being non-specific or non a common it will come in common noun because it's not specific which school we're talking about. And they are excellent in science and literature. Again, science and literature, it's non-specific because we don't know what subject in science, like whether it is biology, chemistry, physics, and what is a literature. So we don't know, we have not given any specification in any of them. So proper noun is specific name of a person, place, or thing. Common noun is non-specific name of a person, place, or thing. So this is how you will find out which is a proper noun, which is a common noun. Students, this is basic English which I'm doing for both spoken English as well as for English basic, intermediate, and advanced. Now, very simple. In basics, we are going to do the 8 parts of speech, and we are going to take basic examples, because there are a lot of other nouns which we can discuss, but right now I am discussing only about proper noun and common noun. So again, what is proper noun? Specific name of a person. Now name of the person, specific name of school. Now school is not specific, okay, so that is why it is coming in common noun. Science and literature, again I have not specified which subject or what literature it is. I have not specified, so it's coming in common noun. So as a beginner in the basic level, always take sentences which are simple to understand, and you don't have they're not a complex at all, and you can easily find out what is the proper noun and common noun. Okay, so in my next class, again for spoken as well as for English basics, intermediate, advanced, in the English basic level, we're going to do pronouns, the second part of speech. So till then, thank you so much.